Plant FAQs, Anthurium Queremalense. Anthurium Queremalense, a collector's guide. I'm Ferbu, and for plant enthusiasts like myself, the Anthurium Queremalense is a captivating species. It boasts unique characteristics that set it apart within the vast Anthurium genus. Let's delve into this enthralling plant, addressing common questions and exploring its allure. See more 1327 species in genus Anthurium at monsteraholic.com. What is Anthurium Queremalense? The Anthurium Queremalense is a captivating aroid prized for its decorative foliage. It's native to Colombia, specifically found in a limited range. This exclusivity contributes to its appeal among collectors. Key characteristics. Large, impressive foliage. This species is known for producing some of the biggest and most stunning leaves within the Anthurium genus. Cooler temperatures. Unlike many Anthuriums, Queremalense thrives in cooler environments with nighttime temperature drops. Rarity in cultivation. This plant isn't as readily available as other Anthuriums, adding to its collectability. Anthurium Queremalense versus other Anthuriums. While sharing the Anthurium genus, Queremalense has distinct features compared to its relatives. Size. Its leaves are considerably larger than most commonly cultivated Anthuriums. Temperature preference. It prefers cooler conditions, contrasting with the warmth-loving nature of many Anthuriums. Rarity. Finding Queremalense can be more challenging than encountering other Anthuriums. Similarities. Light. Both Queremalense and most Anthuriums favor indirect light. Humidity. They appreciate moderate to high humidity levels. Soil. A well-draining, aroid mix is ideal for both. How to care for Anthurium Queremalense. As a collector myself, I've learned that proper care is essential for a thriving Queremalense. Light. Provide bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight. Watering. Water deeply when the top inch of soil dries out. Don't let the plant sit in soggy soil. Humidity. Maintain moderate to high humidity levels, ideally 65 to 75%. Consider a humidifier or pebble tray. Temperature. Aim for temperatures between 65 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 25 degrees Celsius, with nighttime drops. Avoid excessive heat or cold drafts. Soil. Use a well-draining, airy potting mix specifically formulated for aroids. Fertilizer. Apply a balanced, diluted fertilizer during the growing season, spring and summer. Tips for success. Here are some additional pointers for cultivating a happy Queremalense. Repotting. Repot only when the plant outgrows its current pot. Choose a container with drainage holes slightly larger than the root ball. Propagation. Propagation through stem cuttings is possible, but it can be challenging. Patience is key. Common issues. Watch for signs of underwatering, wilting leaves, or overwatering, yellowing leaves. Address them promptly. Where to find Anthurium Queremalense? Due to its rarity, Queremalense might not be readily available at your local garden center. Here are some options to explore. Online retailers. Several online plant vendors specialize in rare aroids. Do your research and choose reputable sellers. Plant shows and events. Attending plant shows or joining online plant communities can open doors to acquiring this unique Anthurium. Remember, when purchasing online, inquire about the plant's origin and ensure the seller practices ethical collection methods. The allure of Anthurium Queremalense. The Queremalense's captivating foliage, coupled with its cooler temperature preference and relative rarity, makes it a coveted addition to any plant collection. With proper care and attention, you can cultivate a thriving specimen that adds a touch of exotic elegance to your indoor space. So, if you're an Anthurium enthusiast seeking a unique challenge, the Anthurium Queremalense might be the perfect addition to your plant journey.